In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set up an AI chatbot using Chat-GPT's API. Create a new project using this Chat-GPT template from FlutterFlow Marketplace. You can redesign the template however you want. The colors I used I got from humint.com, a really cool site that generates color palettes. I also changed the default chat text. Click on the button icon and go to the action flow settings. The template comes with a pre-built action chain, and all we need to do is enter our API key. To get your API key, head over to platform.openai.com and go to the API key section. Create a new key and be sure to save it somewhere because you won't be able to view it again. Using an API costs money, so be sure to add a few dollars to your OpenAI account or your APIs won't work. Head back over to the Action Flow editor and paste your API key. If we go to the API section, we can see the template has already created the API call. Since we already placed our API key in the action flow, we do not need to place it here. The only thing to change here is the GPT model you want to use. Let's test our API key to make sure it's working. You can see the chatbot is working, and if yours isn't working, be sure to check your API key for errors. For example, if there is a space before your key, it won't work. Right now, we are using a version of GPT-3. If we want to change it, navigate to OpenAI's documentation to find every model you can use. We'll try the new GPT-4o model, so we'll copy the model ID and head back to our API call. Paste it where it says model and save the API call. Now let's go test our new model. You can see it's now using the new Model 4 that we added. Different models cost different amounts, with GPT-4 being the most expensive and 3.5 Turbo being the cheapest. The new GPT-4o is the fastest and most powerful model, and cheaper than GPT-4. For a basic chatbot, GPT 3.5 Turbo will be the cheapest option. We'll go back and change the model to 3.5 Turbo. To view your API cost, go back to the OpenAI platform and click on Usage. This gives us a detailed summary of our APIs. You can see we've spent less than 1 cent on testing our AI chatbot. You can also view all your API requests and token usage for each model. This is a basic tutorial for beginners new to FlutterFlow showing you the easiest way to set up an AI chatbot. If you learned something, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.